With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, today we have a question. The question is, if the algebraic sum of perpendiculars from n given points on a variable straight line is 0, then we have to prove the variable straight line passes through a fixed point. That means here what are we given? We are given a straight line and we have the perpendiculars of sum of all the perpendiculars which are given from that point. What are we supposed to find? We have to find that the variable straight line which we are considering here is always. Now for our question, let us take, we are given the sum of perpendicular to n given points. What are given points here? Let us take xi comma yi be the points where I is anything from 0 1 so on up to n. Yes, let us take this as from 1 to n. Now these are our n points and let us assume a straight line, variable straight line. Let us take the equation of the straight line to be ax plus by equal to 1. Yes. Now what do we get from this straight line? If we take this straight line, what is the perpendicular distance? What are we supposed to find? We are given that algebraic sum of perpendiculars is 0. Yes, what is perpendicular distance of a point from that straight line? It is nothing but ax1 plus by1 minus 1 divided by square root of a square plus b square. This is from point 1 plus what is from point 2? Ax2 plus by2 minus 1 divided by square root of a square plus b square plus so on up to what will be? This is our summation 0. Now can we further solve this? All the denominators will be square root of this one. So let us take this as common 1 by square root of a square plus b square into, what do we get all this sum to be? Ax1 plus by1 minus 1 plus ax2 plus by2 minus 1 plus so on. Now why did we take here ax plus by equal to 1 as our equation? This is because here we are given a straight line, right? Can be anything. We can take a straight line to be anything. This is a general equation. Now this so on up to plus ax power n plus by power n yn minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes. What can we say here? This is 0. Yes, that means what we get if it goes on to the other side, what do we get? ax1 plus by1 plus ax2 plus by2 plus so on up to axn plus byn minus 1. Now how many ones do we get here? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, so on will be n. Now can we take minus n? Yes, because it is nothing but minus 1 plus minus 1 meaning minus 1 so on n times. Yes, what does this mean? Sum of n is minus 1 1 1. This will be minus n is equal to 0. Now can we take a and b common? If we take a common, what do we get? We get x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on plus what is b? If we take b common, we get y1 plus y2 plus so on. This and let us bring n to the other side is equal to n. Yes, therefore from this equation, what can we say? This is, let us suppose this to be our equation. What is our general form of equation here we have? We have ax plus by is equal to 1. Yes, and ax plus by is equal to 1. This is our equation 2. Now, using this comparison, what can we say if we divide these terms? What do we get here? Here this is nothing but a into x1 plus x2 plus so on xn divided by n. Yes, if we divide this by n, this is 1. If we divide whole this by n, what do we get? By n plus b into y1 plus y2 plus so on up to yn divided by n is equal to 1. Can we now compare these two? Yes. If we compare, what do we get? We get x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus so on up to xn divided by n. And what is y? Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus so on up to yn divided by n. Now what can we conclude here? Are those constant points? Yes. Now let us write our coordinates x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus so on up to xn divided by n comma y1 plus y2 plus so on up to yn divided by n. Now this is our point x comma y. Now what are we given? n given points. That means points are constant, right? There is no change in our points. And can we prove? That means, is there any change in x and y value? No. Given the points x1, y1, x2, y2, so on, x and y is constant. Therefore, is it proved that it passes through fixed point? Yes. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.